Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beauty food chick. Welcome to my channel. Absolutely. When we talk about spinning, it usually refers to indoor cycling exercises done on stationary bikes, just like I am doing in this video. While it is an excellent form of cardiovascular exercise, maintaining the spinning bike is crucial to ensure its longevity and optimal performance. Proper maintenance may not only extend the life of the bike, but also enhances your workout experience and keeps you safe while using it. In today's video, I will be sharing some essential tips for maintaining your spinning bike, just in case you have one. You will need regular cleaning. To digress a bit, I absolutely love spinning. I am sure you can tell. I need my heart to function very well. So I was saying regular cleaning. You wipe down the bike after each use to remove sweat, dust, and any accumulated grime. Sometimes I do this myself, but most times I call the experts. Inspect your bolts and nuts. You do this periodically to make sure they are secure. Because when you use your bike regularly, vibrations may cause them to loose, so you want to be careful. Chain lubrication, like he is doing in this video. The bike's chain needs regular lubrication to prevent rust and ensure smooth operation. Smooth operator. Alright guys, let's get serious. Tension knob adjustment. If your bike has a tension knob, use it properly and avoid over tightening it. Pedal maintenance. Check the pedals, and why are you checking them? For wear and tear. If they show any signs of damage, consider replacing them. Also, ensure they are properly tightened to prevent accidents. Make sure to inspect your brake pads if applicable. If your spinning bike has a resistant mechanism that uses brakes, check them. Check the flywheel, protect from moisture, and professional maintenance like I am doing. So Oliver comes to do this for me, and he is absolutely good at this. By following these maintenance tips, you can keep your spinning bike in top-notch condition and enjoy safe and effective workout for years. You may want to like this video, consider subscribing for more content, and leave me a comment or two. I hope this was useful to you. I guess the spinning lady here will see you in her next video. I love you. God bless you. Mwah!